Hello, my name is HM3 Leonard Curry. I'm here in the dental department at USNS Mercy, and it was a pleasure to serve the Filipino people. Our mission was a success, seeing well over 1,000 people, teaching them how to brush their teeth, and it's very important to teach the younger generation the importance of oral hygiene so that they can grow up with a beautiful smile and teach their kids how to do the exact same thing.
I'm Chantel Rowe.
I'm Whitney Booth, and we're from Latter-day Saint Charities, and while we were here we were able to donate 24 pallets of goods to 6 different locations as was requested by the countries.
And for example, we donated school supplies for a special education center. It was great to be here and to help people out.
Hi, my name is Lieutenant Laura Bursty on board the USNS Mercy, and I'm part of the pediatric unit staff. Here in the Philippines, we have seen over 65 patients, and it's just been a wonderful opportunity to meet so many families, and these children just take everything in stride, and we're just building wonderful connections here.
Hi, I'm Pera Persillada here in USNS Mercy, and during the time in the Philippines, we construct 2 new school buildings, remodel a health clinic, and 2 playgrounds. It was a great time working with my former countryman, and I'm really hoping to work on the next Pacific Partnership.
Ako po si Ivy at ito anak ko si Garfield. Inoperahan po siya sa tiyan. Nais ko pong ipaabot ang aking pasalamat sa USNS Mercy Ship na sa lahat ng doktor, nurses, na staff na naririto ngayon. Sana marami pa po kayong matulungang katulad naming mahihirap. At higit sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin dito. Kasi alam ko po na nakikita ko po talaga kasi yung labis-labis na pag-aalala nila at pagpapahalaga dito sa mga taong naririto ngayon. Sa muling pagbabalik, maraming salamat po.